This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming your account and connection. This fixes many access restrictions. Sign out and sign back into the exact Google account that owns the content, then test another network like mobile data or a wired connection to rule out ISP blocks. Once done, clear the YouTube app cache or browser cookies, then hard refresh the page. These steps remove corrupted session data and often restore playback immediately, so do them before trying more invasive fixes. Next, you handle regional and playback constraints. Inspect whether the video shows a region restriction or channel block, because geographic limits commonly cause the message. If you use a VPN or proxy, disable it first, then test. Alternatively, switch to a reputable VPN if the content is geo-restricted. Make sure the YouTube app or browser is up to date and temporarily disable ad blockers or privacy extensions, since they can alter requests and trigger availability errors. Finally, you complete diagnosis by isolating the problem. Open the video in an incognito window or on another device to see if it's local. If the video remains unavailable, report it to YouTube using the app's feedback tool and include the error message and time. Make sure to capture a screenshot and the steps you took. This helps support reproduce the issue. If nothing works, wait 24 hours for potential platform fixes and retry. Often a temporary flag or processing issue resolves itself.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.